Europe certainly loves lower oil prices, but on the other hand, there is also pressure on Europe to take more US crude. And I don't think that Europe has the capacity to take more US crude. I mean, if you look at how different countries are behaving, I mean, the European Union appears to be united, although there are frictions between Hungary and some other countries. But I mean, the majority of these countries, they would love to have lower prices, but there is no possibility of taking more US crude. Margins are bad. Some refineries are being shut. I mean, now the arrival of now refined products from the Dangote refinery in Africa is another challenge for the European refining industry. So, I mean, Europe appears to be united. There are some frictions. You can, for example, also take Turkey. Turkey takes Russian oil, but the rest of Europe has been trying to avoid Russian oil. And now, if there is an agreement between the US and Russia, we might have a different kind of oil flow. Whether Europe is likely to take this crude, I don't think so. Most European countries will not take Russian oil. They will continue to have sanctions against Russia. And where can this crude move to? I think probably the US might take instead of Venezuelan crude. If they don't have heavy crude from Venezuela, Russian crude might be welcome in the US.